Well, good evening, ladies and germs. This is a quick video on hopefully me installing the battery inside this fob that is for my diesel heater, so I can use this, have this over in sort of the bedroom area. So I'm going to pop a battery in there, pair it up. Now, it took forever to find a battery. Wow, Christ, I don't even know if this one bloody fits. That's what she said. So this is a battery model. Ooh, let's see if we can focus. Focus, you dumb fuck. 27A or A27 or MM27. Comes under lots of different names and letters and blah 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 blah. So hopefully that is what I need to fit in this battery, in this fob. Otherwise, I'm going to shove this somewhere rude, not on my persons, but maybe on someone else who annoys me, and be done with it, because it has taken forever to find a battery. So here's all the boring shit. Just gonna take, oh, you dumb fuck. Boop. See, I need a little swear booper thing. Right. Like anything, doing anything one-handed, it's a pain in the jacksie. Come on, you bastard. Fucking, yeah. Right, there we go. Thankfully, well, not thankfully, I lost a screw in Halfords the other day when looking for a battery, but Halfords didn't have the battery required for this puppy. Luckily, a locksmith or shoesmith or cobblers or whatever they're called, close to where I work, had this battery, and that's about right. It cost me a total of £3. This piece of £3 for this bloody battery. I hope it fucking works. Sorry, I've not had the best of weeks, and this is just causing me more aggro than, well, no, it'll be worth it when it's working, because then I won't have to get my fat ass out of bed to change, oh god, to change the temperature. So hopefully, right, what we got? Yeah, that looks good. Oh, it's such a deadly little battery. Right, we have lights, so hopefully, ta-da. So I did try, was it an A23 or something? Far too chunky, doesn't fit. I mean, you know, there's nothing wrong with being chunky. I'm chunky and funky, but it's it just wasn't right. So hopefully, let's pop that back together. Boom, 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 boom. Getting a slag. Right, that's there. I think we might be onto a winner. That looks like the cock for Dolly. Lovely jubbly. So what I'm going to do is get this all screwed up, secured back together, and we'll get on with the pairing. Right, so if I'm correct, which is often not the case, to pair this, because at the moment, obviously, it ain't doing jack shit, you have to press and hold the up button till it says HF8, there we go, and then any button. Hey presto, Jesus Christ, it fucking worked. Oh my days. Oh well, so there we go. That is it, that is the battery and pairing of the remote to the control screen. I don't know, but yeah, cheers for watching guys, and catch you soon.